how to enhance customer experience. In my opinion, three things. So number one is asking the right question to each client. Why? So many times I see client come in, sometimes they don't know what they want. When they don't know what they want, we not ask the right question, then we turn up misunderstood or the color or the style they don't like. So that's why for me, for example, client say, oh, I want caramel color. I ask, why do you want caramel color? They say, oh, because I think it's nice. Next question I ask, do you feel that the brushiness when after a few weeks, do you like it? They say, oh I don't like brushiness, then I have to change that. You see, ask the right question is very important. So number two, need to do the long consultation. When you take time, do long consultation, client that actually feel you truly care about them, most of high ticket client, they actually pay for you because they care and make them trust on you. So that's why they pay more. So that I think is so important. And number three, you need to deliver the service that last longer result is low maintenance for client, and that is how you can